Hey everyone, Jake here for American Muscle, and in this video we're taking a look at the Speedform molded rear trunk liner in black, fitting 2021 and newer Mach-E's. If you haul anything with your Mach-E, this is something you need to get. The Speedform trunk liner is an easy and affordable way to make your cargo area more versatile and keep it a lot cleaner. While the trunk liner isn't the most exciting modification, this is going to make life with your Mach-E a whole lot easier, especially if you're hauling a bunch of stuff. This one is molded to fit perfectly in the cargo area, leaving no uncovered spots of carpet. You get high sidewalls to contain any mess and keep things from spilling over. Same with the channels in the center. Sure, they look neat, but they also allow more places for dirt, debris, and even water to go. The liner is really designed to keep any mess exactly where it belongs, here, and not on your carpet. And since this is molded to fit in perfectly, and this material is pretty grippy as well, it's not going to move around, and thus it's going to help keep things in place. And the best part is that it's super easy to clean. So when it does get dirty, you just yank this right out, clean it off with some soap and water. The liner is made from injected molded OEM quality thermoplastic, and it was designed using the original CAD data from Ford. So again, this is going to fit perfectly, it's going to be super easy to clean, and it's going to keep all that mess in one spot. Pricing is the other big win here, as this is only going to run you about $125, making it one of the least expensive trunk liners on the market. Now, as always, I'm a fan of anything that is inexpensive and has a functional usage, and that is definitely the case here. Now, $100 is less than pretty much any interior detail, and it's going to help avoid you having to pay extra to keep the cargo area of your Mach-E clean. And again, it's just going to make life with your car much, much easier. Speaking of easy, installation is also quite easy, and accordingly we're going to give this a 1 out of 3 on the difficulty meter. It should only take you about a minute to install this too, since it's really just a matter of laying it in there properly. Took me longer probably to get it out and put it on the table here for you. So for a quick demonstration, let's head on out to the shop.
There are no tools needed for this install. Hi everyone. Today we're installing a rear trunk liner in our Mach-E, so let's get started. So if you have a factory trunk liner in your Mach-E and you're replacing it, you'll want to get rid of the stock one first. And to do that, all you have to do is reach in, lift up on the edge, kind of fold it up a little bit, and slide it right out. So to install our new one, it's basically going to be a reversal of removing the stock one. We're going to slide it in, and I like to fit it on the back side first. So we'll just kind of fold this up a little bit and get this fitted in on the back side, and then work our way forward. Now it does have little nubs on the bottom to help hold it to the carpet. So just work it way around. Press it in, and your installation is now complete. Now I will give you some hopefully helpful advice here. This does come all folded up in a nice neat package. So when you get it, there are going to be creases and wrinkles in it. Suggestion is stick it outside, let it sit in the sun for a couple of hours, let it go back to its original form, and then put it in. Unfortunately, it's a little cool here today, so we couldn't set it out in the sun, but we did as best we could and got most of the wrinkles out of it.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install the Speedform molded rear trunk liner in black, fitting 2021 and newer Mustang Mach-E's. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, for all things Mach-E, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.